write, things such as the way we write, formality, and the words we use are important aspects we need to consider and can affect what we are trying to convey. These things are essentially writing style, register, and diction. Style, a manner of doing something, or, in this case, our personal manner of writing. Just as we all have our own unique voice, each and every author has their own writing style, which is determined by their word choice or diction, syntax, register, and tone. For example, the writing style of a science textbook would be extremely different from that of a children's story or a novel. Diction, the choice and use of words and phrases in speech or writing. Diction can adapt to various formalities. It can be used to create and convey feeling, tone, and atmosphere. It can also include various literary terms that can be used to captivate the reader's attention. For example, the diction used in poetry is very different from the diction used for prose. Poetic diction usually includes rhymes, metaphors, and similes, which separate it from prose. Register. Register can change to affect diction. It can be used to give characters personalities and to formalize written and spoken thoughts and ideas. Register is basically how formally one writes and is separated into 4 categories: the familiar, formal, informal, and ceremonial registers. Familiar. The familiar register is normally used between people who know each other well, such as friends or family. Features of this register include lack of grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Examples of familiar diction are sayings such as hey and see ya. Informal. When using the informal register, there is usually a close relationship between the author and the reader. However, there is more care taken to the grammar and punctuation than when using familiar language. However, colloquial language is still used. For example, if one was writing a casual letter to a friend, you would use the informal register. Formal. The formal register is not personal nor colloquial. It is the register used most of the time in an academic setting. It is a register used to express strong opinions objectively and follows all rules of written grammar. There are even a set of rules written that one must follow when using this register. Ceremonial. The ceremonial register is rarely used now in modern writing. It can, however, be found in historical transcripts and can be mistaken for a formal register when writers experiment with new vocabulary. To prevent such misunderstandings, a dictionary can be used to help.